Are you serious? Are you serious, folks? Welcome to a powerful broadcast. We have breaking news coming out of New York City, and it's impacting the world. The Dow Jones has plunged again today, 300 points, and it may even be worse than that when it's all said and done. And they're worried about the China trade worries. Bottom line, okay? The Dow Jones Industrial Average plunged more than 300 points. This afternoon, as the news that the United States and China were making little progress in the trade talks. Matter of fact, the National Economic Council Director Larry Kudlow said on Fox Business Network earlier today that the two sides had a pretty sizable distance between them. And CNBC is reporting that, citing an unnamed administration official, that a meeting between President Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping would not be held until after a crucial March 1st deadline. And you're looking at it right now. It's down 292 points and falling. That's the date that President Trump's tariffs on Chinese imports will automatically jump from 10% to 25%. A study by a pro-trade group said that such a move could lead to nearly $1 million loss of U.S. jobs, and that number could double if China retaliates in kind. So Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin is expected to travel to China next week to continue the negotiations. Well, let me just say that because of this happening, this is making people very, very nervous and actually causing people to consider what should they do. I mean, when Wall Street is this up and down, look, this trade thing's not over. Now, I think that the president's trade has actually helped the U.S. economy, but there's a tipping point, okay? You can only go so far, and then you have to back off, or everything starts swinging in the wrong direction when it comes to labor, when it comes to trade, imports and exports. And that's why people are looking for alternatives of what to do with their 401k or the IRA. There's Chinese President Xi right there. And what we are finding out people are doing is they're turning to precious metals. As a matter of fact, noblegoldinvestments.com, that's noblegoldinvestment.com, a Christian company, family owned, are there to help you with your 401k or IRA needs. Matter of fact, we want to say congratulations to Colin Plume and his wife, as she just gave birth to twins. Are you serious? Twins. Pick up the phone and call them and congratulate them over there at Noble Gold Investment. That's 877-646-5347. And give them a shout and let them know your congratulations on the new babies. But there's some things we want to talk about here, and that is, as the markets is inconsistent, there is something that's been consistent. The New England Patriots. I mean, yeah, they won their 6th Super Bowl, and 9 times they've been there, but they're not the only winning team on the field. The Patriot in chief, President Donald Trump, is winning a few carries also as he goes into his own 3rd quarter of his presidency. Yeah, they might have been celebrating the championship in New England, but Noble Gold Investment is celebrating the great accomplishments of President Donald Trump. As he approaches the end zone of his presidency, a few things are standing out for the President of the United States. Record low employment, a major accomplishment. The stock market reaching its highest levels, though it's having a bad day today. And the first major tax reform in over 30 years. And the lowest jobless claims since 1973. That's a 46 years. The President of the United States has stood in the gap, and really these accomplishments, once again, record low unemployment, the stock market reaching highest levels ever, the first major tax reform in over 30 years, and the lowest jobless claims since 1973. He's knocking the ball out of the park, folks. And Noble Gold Investments wants to celebrate the president's accomplishments with this beautiful 1 ounce silver dollar coin, the silver coin. It's just a gorgeous, it's called the Freedom Coin, the Trump Freedom Coin. It's beautiful, as you can see. It has the president on the front and all of his accomplishments written on the back on the shield there. We've got pictures for you we can show you. It's a beautiful coin. It's made of silver, actually 0.999% pure silver, and even 24 karat solid gold if you want to get a coin like that as well. They have them available. They've commissioned it. These are the stunning President Donald Trump 2020 Freedom Coins. Beautiful, and would make a great gift for somebody for a birthday, or maybe you're a collector, but there it is, a gorgeous. What you do is you go to that website, www.trumpcoin2020.com. That's www.trumpcoin2020.com. Use the promo code Paul. Use the promo code Paul and you'll save $5 on that coin. And it's a beautiful, beautiful item to have. Certainly. And the president gave such a powerful, stunning State of the Union address. Many people have said was the greatest State of the Union address in history. It definitely laid out a great, great future for America. Well, Noble Gold has this coin in silver or in 24 karat gold. You can put them in your IRA if you want to, or your 401k rollover, or you can display them in your home or office in a beautiful, stylish presentation box. Wait till you see this. This is beautiful. Along with the certificate of authenticity. I'm sorry. The Trump2020.com. Just go to www.trumpcoin2020.com. Use promo code Paul and get your Trump coin today. It's going to be a major collector's item, no doubt about that. It's going to be a great thing to have. But it's not the only thing that Noble Gold is doing. They've got another great coin. It's the iconic Morgan silver dollar. Matter of fact, check this out. We've got a little clip here to show you. This is from back in the days of the Wild, Wild West.
Back in the 1800s, America was a lawless place. Gunslingers roamed the country with abandon. Going from bar to bar, they gambled and fought across the states. You've heard the names Wyatt Earp, Doc Holliday. This is what they were after, the fabled Morgan silver dollar. Well, now you can own one of these coins yourself. You can hold a piece of American history in your hand like so many before you. Owning a real part of American history is something very few people ever get the chance to do. Once the most circulated coin in the States, the Morgan silver dollar is now one of the rarest. A 1901 Morgan silver dollar was recently valued at $425,000. This is what makes collecting coins so exciting. The Morgan silver dollar is a great coin to start your collection. Made of 90% pure silver and 10% copper, the coin is 1.5 inches wide, making it one of the largest coins ever made. Its purity, content, and weight were guaranteed by the U.S. Mint when struck, making them a legal U.S. tender. The Morgan silver dollar bears the name of the engraver who designed the coin, a British man who worked.
George Morgan, when he designed this beautiful coin, mine's from 1881, and it's just a gorgeous coin. I think about it all the time because, you know, I was named after Wyatt Earp. My name's Paul Wyatt Begley, and I think about, you know, Wyatt Earp or Doc Holliday. One of those guys might have actually used this coin back in the day. It's a great historical piece to have. It's 90% silver, 10% copper. Just go to that website right there, www.historicsilvercoins.com. That's www.historicsilvercoins.com. Use the promo code Paul. The promo code Paul. Again, congratulations to Colin Plume and his wife as they're celebrating as she gave birth to twins. So he's got his hands full. A lot of diapers to change over there, probably pulling extra shifts. Look at this, www.historicsilvercoins.com. That's www.historicsilvercoins.com. Use the promo code Paul and you'll save $5. They'll send you that coin, the iconic Morgan silver dollar, in that beautiful case. It comes in the case, So does the Trump coin, if you go with that one. Matter of fact, a little bit more about the Morgan coin. Back in the 1960s, Westerns, $1 silver dollar. And if you're not mistaken, the coin there is one of these. It could be. Matter of fact, this is the coin which won the West, and the same one that was used here in the States between 1878 and 1921. These were in the pockets of everybody, from President Ulysses S. Grant to President Woodrow Wilson, maybe Doc Holliday or Mark Twain, even Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, or Wyatt Earp, just to name a few. And they have used these coins on a daily basis during that period of time. It was the most used item of currency in the United States during its day. Matter of fact, the very coin could have been held by Henry Ford. A lot of folks consider that. The 90% silver, pure silver, and 10% copper. Just pick up the phone and call 877-646-5347. That's 877-646-5347. Give Colin a call. Matter of fact, Noble Gold Investments, a Christian company, family-owned, really nice people. And with Colin's wife just giving birth to twins, he's got his hands full for sure, and she does for sure. And so congratulations to them. Now you can get these beautiful coins. Just also your 401k or your IRA, you need to go to www.noblegoldinvestments.com. That's www.noblegoldinvestments.com. Some really nice people. When these coins are beautiful and they come in that nice case, you'll truly enjoy them. And as I said, the stock market is really, who knows? I mean, it's up, and over the Trump's presidency, it's way up. But as we go into these next 2 years, there's still some uncertainty with the Chinese trade situation with America. We'll have to wait and see what the market does. But silver and gold, these precious metals, they've stood the test of time, and they will, even to the day of the wrath of God. Now, here's what the Bible says. Your silver and gold is okay because Jesus used it all the time. Found a gold coin in the fish. All right. Gold was used throughout history. But the Bible does say that in the last days, they will throw their gold and silver in the streets during the wrath of God. Well, when the wrath of God gets poured out, nothing's going to have value at that point. It's too late. Okay. So it's not now. It still has value. Go to noblegoldinvestment.com. I'll be back with more information as we go forward. Give your life to Jesus Christ. Put your faith and trust in Him. Be sure you call upon the name of the Lord and let Jesus Christ set you free. noblegoldinvestments.com.